Farms is an award-winning vertical farming company that is transforming agriculture from the betterment of humanity. Since 2004, they have integrated cutting-edge technologies like indoor vertical farming, artificial intelligence, and plant biology to address the challenges of our broken food system and improve the production and distribution of fresh produce locally and globally. Through their proprietary agriculture platform, they grow a wide range of products with superior flavor, quality, and nutrition. Aero Farm's mission is to serve communities by providing high-quality, consistent, and safe products under their trusted brand. With their innovative approach, these farms have revolutionized food production. They utilize aeroponics, a unique method that optimizes growing while using up to 95% less water and zero pesticides. Their expertise spans horticulture, genetics, engineering, food safety, data science, and nutrition, enabling them to understand plant biology like never before. Their commercial farms are optimized for year-round production, regardless of the seasonal weather, and they have successfully grown over 550 different plant varieties, including leafy greens, berries, tomatoes, and more. Hydra Green offers a high-energy fresh forage solution for resilient animal agriculture, helping achieve economic and environmental business goals. By feeding cows with fresh forage, methane emissions can be significantly reduced by up to 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide equivalent per cow annually. With 1 billion cows emitting 220 billion pounds of methane each year, livestock producers are seeking innovative ways to lower environmental impacts and reduce methane emissions. Hydra Greens research shows that forage grown in their automated vertical pastures is a viable solution for the animal agriculture industry. In the United States, agriculture contributes 11% of greenhouse gas emissions, with 36% of methane emissions coming from livestock. Ruminant animals like cows produce methane during digestion in their rumen. Hydra Greens grow fresh forage hydroponically indoors, optimizing growing conditions and producing crops in just 6 days with minimal water usage and no pesticides. Cubic Farms is the leading local chain tech company founded by farmers. With the growing concern of depleting resources and the need for responsible, sustainable, and durable food production, they believe in localizing food and feed production by farmers indoors. These agriculture technologies enable farmers to consistently produce high-quality nutritious food and feed year-round. Why is local food production important? The current food production processes, involving multiple stages and distant locations, have resulted in unreliable food access, rising farmer costs, foodborne illnesses, environmental issues, irresponsible practices, lack of transparency, excessive food waste, and resource depletion. Patented Cubic Farm system is automated, modular, on-site, and indoor. The unique crop motion technology provides plants with an outdoor-like growing experience while maximizing cubic space and reducing environmental impact. By moving trays along a growing path every 90 minutes, they optimize accessibility using less land, less water, less energy, and less labor. These technologies allow farmers to produce their own feed efficiently, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and benefiting their animals' well-being. Experience the captivating fragrance tunnel by renowned artist Oliver Eliasson. This unique work of art combines nature, art, and technology, showcasing different plants each month from spring to autumn. The fragrance tunnel is a rotating, walk-in tube that surrounds visitors, slowly revealing the scents of carefully selected blooming plants. Suspended flower pots in a lattice structure contain 2,160 plants, creating an immersive sensory experience. The scents evolve throughout the season, starting with the aroma of gold lacquer in April. As months pass, the tunnel features new flowers such as horned violet, vanilla flower, and lavender. The fragrance tunnel harmonizes with the changing seasons and flowering times, offering a holistic experience that engages all senses. It is an enchanting journey where visitors can indulge in the beauty of the nature scents and immerse themselves in a moving space of visual and aromatic delight. ARC is pioneering the cultivation of food on Mars to improve global food production. LED grow lights have replaced outdated lighting systems, incandescent bulbs, and fluorescent lights for indoor farming. NASA's research on growing crops in space aims to create sustainable systems for oxygen, water, and food production. Today, large-scale vertical farms and plant factories are using LED grow lights to cultivate vegetables and fruits. These controlled environments reduce water usage while producing nutritious, pesticide-free crops year-round, independent of local climates. In space, plant growth is influenced by microgravity, affecting water conductivity and gas exchange. Researchers have experimented with various growth media and techniques to control water and nutrition supply. Plants will be crucial for sustaining life on longer space voyages, requiring a controlled environment that provides oxygen, water, and food. This technology holds promise for optimizing crop production and even reducing electricity costs for growers. Introducing the Sanjo handheld chainsaw, a compact and lightweight tool. This powerful chainsaw effortlessly trims overgrown branches and lifeless limbs, making it the perfect solution for pruning tasks. Say goodbye to tangled cords and heavy gas chainsaws, as this cordless saw provides convenience and ease of use. Equipped with battery, it offers ample power and runtime to cut through branches, thatch, and shrubs. Safety is a priority, with built-in features like a rivet knife to prevent the kickback, a knuckle-guard handle, and a safety switch to avoid accidental starts. With just a simple squeeze of the trigger, you can achieve clean and precise cuts, making pruning tasks a breeze. The world's first automatic shovel, say goodbye to the time-consuming and back-breaking work of digging in your yard. Install plants, fence pots, irrigation, and decoration effortlessly with this powerful digging tool. It allows you to stand while digging and creates bigger holes with ease. The Rotor Shovel Max can excavate a 4-inch diameter hole for posts and even wider and deeper holes for large plants. It operates smoothly and safely, automatically shutting off if it encounters rocks or roots. The reverse function helps free the auger if it gets stuck. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Max provides hours of continuous use. Recharging takes just 2 hours, allowing for uninterrupted digging.